What's up guys, it's Karl here, and as you can tell, it is the final episode of the year. It is my Christmas unboxing haul slash, of course, giveaway update. I know all of you guys are waiting for it, but I just want to start off this video by saying thank you so much to everyone that's not only joined me this year. If you've watched any of my videos over the past 5 years that I've been here on YouTube, thank you so much. It means the absolute world to me, and if I haven't responded to a comment, if I haven't seen your DM on Insta, I'm saying sorry here. I read each and every single one. There's just, way too many. It's a bit overwhelming, but I wanted to just start off this video by giving so much thanks. You guys have made 2019 such an awesome year. Before we get into all the giveaway winners, because I'm actually recording this on Christmas Eve, when you watch this video, today should be Christmas, I wanted to quickly unbox all of the last minute stuff that I not only got myself for Christmas, some things that came into the studio super late on. We'll start off with the first thing, which I actually got for my parents because they love them so much. This is the LG PK7, and I actually grabbed this from my parents for their condo back in France. They loved it so much, and they actually figured out how to use it. Bluetooth speakers are within their knowledge. I had to get them one for their place here in Toronto. And we'll quickly open this guy up. Mom and Dad, I'm sorry I'm taking away from your unboxing experience. Hope you understand it's for YouTube. I got them this one in the white colorway. It's a bit more festive and Christmassy. This is one of the best Bluetooth speakers that you can buy. It's a bit on the larger side, but I think that compromise is worth it because the sound quality that comes out of this is kind of next level, especially for a portable Bluetooth speaker. Pairs easily with any smartphone, of course, via Bluetooth, and you can rock your favorite Christmas tune. I think it's a great Christmas gift, and if you were saving for, say, any post-Christmas deals, I know that LG has this guy around 50% off, so I'll leave a link down below, including everything that we look at this video. Check out the PK7. The next big box that I got is literally a mystery box, so perfect for this episode. It's in a big orange box. It's from Xiaomi. I had to save this guy for this episode slash this series. I know they were trying to break the world record for the amount of unboxings done on a specific date. I missed that as Canadian shipping. We got screwed. I will still share, though, the contents inside. So the first thing, we've got a pretty dope backpack. Might check this out as a tech travel pack. We've got some great little stocking stuffers. So this is the My Box S. It's a 4K top box, so you can watch YouTube, Netflix, pretty much plug and play HDMI into a TV. And we also have a wireless charging pad. A little plushie, that's kind of cute. I can definitely give this away to a toy drive. And last but not least, we do have a phone that came in. This is the Mi 9 Lite. It's a budget phone. It's around $350, $400. Tons of value, and Xiaomi, super sorry I missed the global unboxing date. I wish we could get stuff quicker up here in Canada. This stuff is here, of course, remember, linked down below. Okay. We have some gifts that I am gifting to myself. These are my tech upgrades for the year. We'll start off first with the big stuff that's coming out of the box. We've got some Logitech upgrades. I did buy a new gaming keyboard. This is the Logitech G915. The build is made out of the same space gray, or looks almost identical to my iMac Pro, so that's a big plus. No, I don't really go for the full rainbow keys. I've got mine obviously in orange, and I do have a brand new headset, as I usually just use, say, my AirPods. Cheap $15 headphones, and that doesn't get you by in Fortnite. You can't hear where anyone is. I got the G935s. And last inside of the box, I did grab a premium and laptop, or an Ultrabook. I'm shifting away just from using my MacBook Pros. I want to get more into, obviously, PC Windows stuff. The HP Spectre is on the top line of what HP offers. It's fairly new, and this thing I'm looking forward to using into the new year. The build on this guy is top notch, and it's got a 13-inch form factor. It is a 2-in-1 or a 360 kind of convertible, so it does work in, say, laptop mode. It works in tent mode if you want to use it for media consumption. And because it has a smaller form factor, it feels a bit more natural to use this as a one-handed tablet as opposed to, say, 15-inch 2-in-1s. But I'm gonna go back to that build quality again. I think HP is really upping their game. It feels very premium, it's heavy. It's got these chamfered gold edges, which I'm a fan of. It's a bit different and it just completes the whole premium look. Looking forward to using this guy. I'm sure I will be traveling a ton with this Spectre as it still has a small enough form factor. Okay, let's get to the part of the video that all of you have been waiting for. You know that I had a ton of gift guides this year. I had 5 episodes at the beginning of December. As promised, I had a giveaway winner for every single one of those episodes. I just drew them. Let's get to the first episode. This one was the $25 episode. I kind of axed all the duplicate entries. The first one, we have Matt B. Great job, love the vid. Thanks for your comment. And for every one of the winners, just be sure to respond back on that pinned comment. It'll verify it's you, we'll swap info, and I will ship that item out. $50 winner, we had Ross Gordon. You love the Peak Design strap. I like that as well. I think that was one of my favorite episodes. On to episode number 3. This was under $100, and we have 1,970 comments. We had Daddy. Interesting username. Hopefully you're not the real dad. Dad, you wouldn't have a name like that on YouTube. You don't even know how to do that on YouTube. 1,969 comments for the next episode. Austin N, not Austin Evans. You did like the Philips Hue light bulb. Congrats to you. And the finale, the baller episode, over 250 bucks. This one is going to Josie. You loved everything, but you loved the Nintendo Switch the best. I honestly love my Nintendo. It's the thing that I use most, or the gaming console that I use most this year. Big congrats to you, and once again, so much love for everyone that has entered that giveaway, for anyone that has watched any of my videos. I think I've said that a million times already. We've had such a crazy year here over on YouTube. I was looking at some of my vids from earlier in the year. Obviously, over on Instagram, we have done so much traveling, over 300,000 kilometers in 2019. Some awesome memories, and I can't wait for those to continue in 2020. I have some really special stuff that I cannot wait to share in the new year. I'm keeping that kind of under wraps. Kind of involves a brand new place for me to film, but I promise I will keep you guys updated as soon as I can. Can't wait to catch you all in 2020. If you want to see any special stuff, any special vids, leave them down below. And once again, thank you all. Catch you all in my next vid, which will be in 2020, the new year, the new decade. Catch you guys then. Peace.